This is FIMI Mini 3, and today I'll show how you can enable or disable the camera grid lines on this device. So at the start, you will need to launch the dedicated FIMI Navi Mini app and enter the camera view. Now launch settings, go into the camera category and scroll down until you'll find the grid line selection. And here, if you would like for the grid lines to be switched off, select the none option, or if you would like to enable them, just choose one of the two available grid line patterns. So that's how the first one looks, and the second one looks like that, with a center point here. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.